Today we know that traumatic stress treatments work. We know that exposure to fearful memories is a critical element to the treatment, the primary active ingredient to recovery. We also know that different people tolerate exposure to their trauma memories to differing degrees, and in order to assist you, we need to teach you skills to relax before we instruct you to focus on trauma memories. This audio program will focus on the use of the principle of reciprocal inhibition, which is the exposure to a disturbing memory while in a relaxed state. In the best case scenario, developing this skill allows the individual to experience extinction or a significant reduction in the overwhelming emotional aspects of their trauma memories. Although we might need to review exercises many times to arrive at emotional extinction, we will not expect that you will forget what has happened to you, but we hope that you will have an easier time when you're reminded of your traumatic memories after you've worked with some of the exercises that combine exposure and relaxation. Cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, is a popular approach that has been well researched and shown to be an effective method for helping individuals who've been exposed to trauma. This audio recording will provide step-by-step explanations in popular and effective techniques of CBT that you can follow as you listen. Some of these techniques include trigger list development, breath training, relaxation training, layering, anchoring, exposure therapy, systematic desensitization, storytelling approaches, and reconnection to the positive. This audio recording is packed with practical approaches that we have used successfully with our clients for many years. We follow a triphasic trauma practice approach, which is broken into 3 stages. 1, safety and stabilization. 2, trauma memory processing. And 3, reconnection. Each stage is explained and specific exercises are offered for you to work with. Again, this audio program does not replace direct psychotherapy care, but it is a starting point for you to better understand your struggles and to offer some interventions that have proven themselves over the years. Stage 1 is safety and stabilization. The safety session of this audio recording is focused on skills development to assist you to practice self-soothing and self-care skills to increase emotional and behavioral stabilization. In cases where you remain in an unsafe environment, plans to establish personal and practical safety remain the focus of your goals prior to delving into trauma memory processing work. The overriding goal is to enable you to make a gradual shift from unpredictable danger to reliable safety, both in your environment and within yourself. Accomplishing this goal depends on the circumstances as well as internal ability to cope with exposure to trauma memories and may take days, weeks, or months to achieve. Stage 2 is trauma memory processing. In the second phase of recovery, you begin to work more deeply with exercises to work through your trauma history, bringing difficult memories to greater resolution. Because of the nature of traumatic memories, this process is rarely straightforward. You'll need to be prepared to take the time to review exercises more than once to get the best outcome. Again, this is best achieved working together with a qualified psychotherapist using this audio recording as a support only in your recovery goals. Reconnection is the final stage of recovery, and it involves redefining oneself in the context of meaningful relationships and engagement in life activities. You can gain closure on your experiences when you're able to see the things that happen to you with the knowledge that these events do not have to determine who you are. Trauma survivors can be liberated by the conviction that regardless of what else happens to them, they always have themselves. In many instances, trauma survivors find a mission through which they can continue to heal and to grow. They may even end up helping others with similar histories of abuse and neglect. Successful resolution of the effects of trauma is a powerful testament to the ability of individuals to heal. Once you move into the reconnection phase, personality that has been shaped through trauma must then be given the opportunity for new growth experiences that offer the hope of a widening circle of connections and the exploration of a broader range of interests. We hope that you can embrace this phase as fully as possible as it opens doors to engagement in a meaningful and fully activated life. This is our best hope for you. Information on downloadable materials to accompany this audio recording is available at the point of purchase, either on the website, CD, or related materials. When you download our free materials, they enhance your experience with our audio recordings by providing you a format to work with our guided exercises. If you were not provided information about how to find our downloadable materials, please visit the site of purchase or look on the CD jacket for information on how to download our accompanying materials.